Today, we'll dive into the renowned snack, from Nanning the Laoyou rice noodles. If Nanning is on your itinerary, this dish is an unmissable delight. Remarkably, despite its delectable taste, it remains relatively undiscovered outside of Nanning. Originating from Nanning, Guangxi, the Laoyou rice noodles is more than just a traditional local snack. Over time, it has endeared itself to both residents and visitors alike. Its distinct taste, coupled with an eclectic mix of ingredients, has enabled it to stand out amidst a plethora of soup-based dishes, making it a crowd favorite. At its heart, Laoyou rice noodles features silky vermicelli, succulent pork slices, and an array of sumptuous accompaniments, such as pork, offals, and fresh greens. One of its main appeals is the customization it offers. Diners can tailor their bowl to their liking, ensuring each experience is uniquely delightful. The origins of Laoyou rice noodles come with an endearing tale. Legend has it that an individual sick with a cold was nursed back to health by a dear friend using a bowl of this dish. While this story might seem a tad embellished, the underlying themes of kinship and camaraderie resonate deeply with many. A friend from Nanning once shared a more relatable version with me. Imagine an old friend unexpectedly dropping by with no special ingredients at hand. One can quickly whip up a bowl of Laoyou rice noodles using staple ingredients like rice noodles, pickled bamboo shoots, and fermented beans. Such an unpretentious meal shared between close friends underscores the genuine and heartfelt nature of their bond. The spiciness of the dish, enhanced with white vinegar and millet pepper, invigorates the diner, making them feel rejuvenated. As time goes on, the fame of Laoyou rice noodles has gradually spread. It's not just a representation of Nanning's culinary artistry, but also a testament to the close-knit community of its people. For many, it is more than just food, it's an emotion, a memory, and a piece of their heart that they share with every bowl served. To truly appreciate the depth of this dish, one must visit Nanning.